हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सब लोग बढ़िया होंगे, टैक्सी बढ़िया रहना। तो गाइस, इन टुडेस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट हाउ कैन यू मेक योर पीसी super fast as possible and prevent it from lagging.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
So guys, बिना किसी देरी के let's flash to our screen.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
So as here I am on my screen, and first of all I am going to tell you that what is about tip 1. So guys, tip 1 is that whenever you start your PC in some background, some applications start automatically and takes the RAM. So guys, अगर हम लोग इन applications को बंद कर देंगे तो सोचो आपकी जितनी भी मतलब जो RAM होगी वो कितनी लो हो जाएगी, मतलब कितनी वो वर्क फास्ट करने लगेगी।
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है।
और आपका PC हो जाएगा ना एकदम super fast. So guys, for stopping this, first of all you have to click Ctrl Alt plus Delete on your screen. So guys, when you will click Ctrl Alt plus Delete when you will click Ctrl Alt plus Delete on your screen, it will take some time, and then there will be 4 options in front of you: lock, switch user, sign out and task manager. So you have to directly click on task manager, and after clicking on task manager it will take few minutes, and this type of interface will load on your screen. So from there you have to click on startup, and after clicking on startup you can see many applications are there which can run in the background. So I have already disabled all of them, but like this is asset command line interface. So if you will click on this and you will disable this, so this is now disabled, but now I have clicked you have to disable this. Okay, so you can disable like this, and you can see I have already disabled these applications, so my now laptop work fast. So guys, here you can see if this my apps I can enable it, you can see it is enabled, and if I want to disable I can also disable it. So I can cross it now. So I hope this will make your PC faster, and this will always prevent it to lag you. Guys, tip 2 takes you to control panel. First of all you have to open your control panel, and the tip 2 is that you need to close all the graphics, so that after closing the graphics your PC will work fast as possible. So I am going to tell you that how can you off your graphics. I am not recommending you that you have to off your graphics, but after closing your graphics your PC will first work fast. So first of all you have to open your control panel, and then you have to click on system. After clicking on system you have to click on advanced system settings. After some time your advanced system settings will be loaded there, and you have to click on settings. After clicking on settings there will be let Windows choose what the best for my computer, but you have to click on custom, and then you can off your all the graphics here as I am offing. You can see you can off your all the graphics. Yes, and then you have to click on apply, and after a minute it has been applied, and I am going to show you what are differences. So now whenever you minimize, you can see it is minimizing. All the thumbnails are also being removed, and whenever I click on OBS it is been opening like this. But I don't like this thing, so I never off my graphics. I always keep it on, but it's your choice. You can also off it. Your PC will work fast. My PC is having i3 processor, so it works fast, so I don't need to off my graphics. So I am going to on it, and you can off it if you want. So guys, this was about the tip 3rd. I hope you will like it. Guys, tip 4 वो है then whenever after some time your PC always recommend you to update it, and sometime it also auto update it. So आपको उसको बंद करने के लिए you nothing have to do. First of all you have to press Windows plus R on your screen, and then you have to type service.msc. After typing service.msc you have to click on enter. It will take some time, and this type of interface will be open. There you have to scroll to bottom, totally bottom, and there you can see Windows update. So here you have to click, and you have to click on properties. After clicking on properties, I have already disabled it. You can click on automatic, and automatic or disabled. So if I am clicking on automatic, if my automatic is there and I am disabling it again, so I have to apply it here, and I will click on OK. So guys, I don't recommend you to do it disable. You can do it manually, but guys, please don't forget to update your PC once in a month. if you will not update it, so it can create some problem. I hope you liked the tip 3rd. Now guys, tip 5, the last tip is telling you about that how can you stop all the notifications and the tips coming from laptop or the system. So for if you will stop these tips, your PC will work fast. So for stopping this, you have to click on right button of the start button, and you have to click on settings. After clicking on settings, your settings will be opened, and after a minute it will all the options will be visible on you, and you can click on system here. After clicking on system, it will take a minute and system will be open. You have to go on notification and actions, and after clicking on notification and actions, they will be on. You can off it, and after offing this, you can also uncheck these buttons. Okay, so after doing this thing, your laptop will work more fast. So guys, I hope your PC will work fast now, and you can enjoy all the gamings applications and all your working applications and your online classes too. So please don't forget to leave a like on the like button. Please share this video, comment me down if you have any problem, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, till that, bye bye, tata, and see you.